Done. Hey everybody, welcome back to the first video in actually first live stream. This is actually really I mean not scary, but like actually a bit like so cool to me that I can live stream. Already a few people coming in. Thank you all for joining me today. I'll have to mute. Okay, so today, as you can see on my screen right here, I'm actually, oh sorry about that, you can't even see my screen, haha, XD, sorry about that. Anyway, so thank you all for coming. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the BodyPose API. Of course, a new video. Thank you all. By the way, if you didn't know, guys, I actually made a video. Here, this one, how to detect text from that. So if you haven't watched that, go check it out. I'd have to quickly change the thumbnail of this because I don't want it to be just a black screen. Save that. Okay. Faithfully, yeah, I'm good. If you have any questions about Xcode, have you come here for Xcode? Do you do any Xcode? Yeah, if you do, just don't be shy. Actually, yeah. Let me explain. Okay. Today we're gonna be doing the BodyPose API. So BodyPose API live stream. Live. Okay. Faith Ali, nice to see you there, bro. How are you? Haru. Let me see if I can change this. You know, it's a bit. Oh, it's not. Okay, it's fine. Like, it's really, you know. Yeah. It's a bit like. Okay, it's laggy. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so let's get right into it by doing a body pose API. I'm Ali Snake, the real one. Could you explain to me what do you mean by real one? Wait, would there be a fake? Would there be a fake one? I don't know. I mean, I don't know who Faze Ali or Faze Ali or Faze anybody or whatever it is. Sorry about that, but yeah. So let's get into the body pose API business. So to do this, of course, as we saw, we're going to be doing request. So this is all. So this is all the code we're going to be doing. Of course, they're going to all be in the override function as last time. And yeah, so first we're going to start off by doing a guard let CG image equals UI image CG. So named test one. We always do test one. Dot CG image else return like that, and then we're gonna go here and now what we do is, so now in my last video I showed you about sorry about that. So many people are imitating me. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm Dhar and Rug's friend. Actually, I don't know who Dhar and Rug are. Is that like a person or something? And oh, this is boring. Okay, you have all reason to leave because I did send you the link from our messaging. So anyway, so now we're gonna do our request handler and the request. So let request handler equals vn. Oh, of course, I keep on forgetting to import vision. That's always my main mistake. So vn detect human body pose. So wait, sorry. Vn request handler. Vn image request handler. I actually DK, and it will do CG image is as CG image, and options, there are no options. Like I said. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is, let me quickly turn on the do not disturb. Okay, sorry about that. So wait, no, it's okay, Faisal, I actually feel bad that you're gonna leave, but of course, not everybody are smart. Like unlike you and me, of course, you are Dumbo. But Faisal, please see my Mystery X. I don't know who that is. I don't know what that is. Sorry about that. Okay, so now we're gonna do the request. So let request equals vn body pose detect human body pose request. Oh, sorry, my thing is glitching. Okay. Completion handler is request error And now what we're gonna do is actually no, not that. Actually the thing is body pose handler. So now what we're going to do is, so as you can see in our code here, we have everything, and now we have to create this body pose handler request. So to do that, we're going to do so we're just going to copy. You guys can just copy this. This is really simple to do. No need for anything with that. Now we're done with that, we have to do a do catch block, and then do
the other brother is the one making the video.
handler dot perform, and then we're gonna do the request. So Faith Ali, are you mad at somebody? Sorry about that. You don't have to be mad. Actually, stop. Sorry, that was Faith Ali. So now we have to do try and do catch, and the catch have to print the error, of course. So now we're done with that, and now we have this main thing. So the error here is saying to us this, like, cannot do this. So we have to like that, and now there should be an error coming up. Actually, no. Okay. And Faith Ali, do you want to say something? I know you're here, so of course, no need to like hide it. So we're going to do a guard let recognized point equals try human hand pose observation. So sorry, observations dot recognize points dot all, because we want all the things. So dot recognize points dot all, you can do that. And else, of course, you know the else guard let statements. That's how we roll. Okay, so Faith Ali, could you say something? Like I you're there, no need to hide it. So now we're gonna do let, and now we're gonna first let's just finish this. So let wrist joint is VN human body pose observation dot joint name, and here we should be able to put it in. I actually don't know why. Oh, sorry about that. It's because we don't have this in. Boom boom, have a tweet to it. Okay. Faith Ali, don't lie. It's fine. You can be here. Faith Ali, see, you're in the participant section. Guys, if you're wondering, Faith Ali is here. He's just trying to be shy. He's literally right here. So no need to, Faith Ali, no need to hide. You can say something. Speak up. Yeah. So now here we can do dot wrist. So now what are we doing here? We're basically saying let this wrist joint equals human. So this is let wrist joint is this. So now in here we have to put the certain all of these, like which body part. So here we put wrist joint. So we're going to do dot right left wrist. So we're going to name this left wrist joint. I'm going to copy paste that in there. Put it in here as a right, and put it in here as a right. Like that. Faith Ali, could you please stop hiding? You're there. Oh, sorry about that. You're there, alright. Like, guys, look at this. Look at this. Faith Ali is exposed. Literally, I don't know who made you this profile picture. NGL, like. Fine. You know what, guys? Let's check about. The stream is not just about doing that. We're gonna have to have fun by looking at Faith Ali. The stream is just to relax and oh. Actually, have not watched this video. I don't know why it's showing a red bar. Actually, I haven't. Cool. 442 subs, not bad. NGL and Faith Ali and Harman, insane collab. But the thing is, ooh, this looks fake. Actually, yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, this looks actually fake. Pretty fake, actually. Yeah. yeah, this looks completely fake. Sorry about the Faisally. You're actually a fake guy. Sorry about that, actually, and all. Uh, if it was me, yeah, you would have more than 442 subs for sure in jail. Anyway, guys, Faisally, do you want to say something before I expose you to the world or no? Okay, so let's move on. So to do that, we're gonna actually look up body pose. So I actually have this thing, which right here it gives all the parts. So we can say we're gonna try to detect, like, so for now, let's just do the right wrist. So we're gonna take and we're gonna do, say, we'll do the right wrist and right elbow. So what we're gonna do here is gonna copy that, and we're gonna copy it twice. So we're gonna do it. We're gonna do a left elbow joint, left elbow, right elbow, and now I have to change this to right elbow joint, and now we're done. Basically, that's it. Like, we're actually done. Faithfully, could you please say something like, I actually don't know, like, yeah. So, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so now we're here. Now we got that. Now there are going to be a bunch of warnings saying it's not immutable, it's not immutable, blah blah blah. So, like, let's how do we fix that? To do that, first we finished all this. Now we have to tell like a yoga pose, arms out. That's one. Maybe we can figure that out. Okay, here's a good one. That's a good one, actually. This one. That's actually a good picture. So we can take a picture of that. Take a screenshot, actually. Let's see. Okay. So now we finished the whole function of processing the observation. Now, as you can see, actually, guys, yeah. So as you can see here, we get, so the process observation is all the way down until here. That's why I've added some more here. So after we did this, we're gonna do this. So to do that, we have to do so here we have to do left no so we're gonna do left wrist joint is, so like that, and then it's gonna be a CG point like that, and then equals left wrist joint dot compact map. Yeah. And here we're gonna do, and here it's gonna be like that, I guess. Guard let point, sorry about that. Guard let point equals recognize points dot, no, recognize point, actually going to do $0 for immutableness dot, so wait, so point dot confidence is greater than 0, else return, we could do return nil, but for now we don't want, there's no optional values in this, so that's why we're not going to do that. So there is an error saying should return a value, so let's see if I can do return nil. Actually might actually work. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, sorry about that, we have to return something else. Here we have to return CG point, I forgot what was it called, VN point image point for normalized point dot, sorry, yeah, so it was return nilling on, we were returning nil on this, return nil And here we have to do return point dot location image, and here we have to do int cg image dot width, int cg image dot height. We finished, guys. Amazing. Now I have to just do the same thing for everything else. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do right, just join, and then I think that's it. Now we just have to copy that for the other two. 1 second, guys. My family member is calling. So now. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we've actually already gotten that.
Well, you couldn't be doing what I think.
So it is saying right wrist joint is already been used. Oh yeah, sorry. So now we have to do right elbow. So right elbow joint and left elbow joint. So now what I have to do is right elbow joint. Yeah, that's good. And here I have to do left elbow. So now basically we are done. Now we've assigned every let function, and now if we take this image, and I don't want to run it just yet, why not? We'll have it print right elbow joint, print left elbow joint, and print right wrist joint, and then print left wrist. And then here I'm gonna actually, so by the way guys, if you don't know this is a cool feature in Xcode for everybody. Actually all you have to do is hit the option button and you can just highlight cursors in everything. So what is this? So we can do joint 1 is, so actually for now I'm actually gonna do 1 and 2.
Whoa!
Right.
Mystery X, stop!
Right joint.
Stop with that shit.
I'm gonna do those on
Mystery X.
that.
Mystery X, China.
And I'm gonna do that.
Whoa.
Okay. Now I'm gonna do left joint, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to these two. She forgot one there. Option on these two. Right wrist, or double it up there. And change that. So now if you print it, it'll print the coordinates of everything. Actually, yeah. So it'll print the X and Y coordinates of everything. So to do that, so first we want that to happen. So for now, I'm gonna actually pause the video and everything until the thing comes. So I'll take a break, guys. Go get some water. You work out, guys, and yeah. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed your small little break you got. So I tried running it. I tried running it, but there was an error. So at first, it didn't give us an image. It didn't like give us an actual image just because that's because I haven't printed it. So the first things first is let's just go to this main storyboard just to make life so much easier for us. I'm just gonna just quickly put it on this. Of course, the much better way to do it with the code, but I'm not like this course like this video isn't just to put like those things, so that's why I'm just gonna do this for you guys. So I'm gonna do that. Image is gonna be test1 like I named it this one. It's gonna be like that, and I'm gonna run it, and you see that everything will work fine, but there will be one error. So let's take a look at it. Anybody back in the chat? No, nothing. No. Okay, fine. See, okay, so it shows code, but what it prints out is right joint, right wrist, left wrist. That's how it prints out. It's supposed to print out the x and y coordinates of each of those. So I don't care if it says that, like we already know that, but I just wanted to print the x and y coordinates. To do that, what did we do wrong? I was thinking it'll print it. So to do, what did we do wrong? If you look here, we let RE joint equals right elbow joint, but we printed right elbow joint. So that's basically saying right elbow joint is right here, and that's basically just this right elbow. But it's not saying to print the coordinates. The RE joint is completely mashing it up into that into the x and y coordinates. So it's, I don't know how to how to best explain it. Like say you have like a how do we explain it to you guys? Like I'm just saying, like I printed the unfinished product. So this so instead of doing right elbow joint, I'll have to do RE joint because that's the unfinished product. LE joint, R strange. We only did 3 of them. So right wrist, right elbow, right elbow. So we didn't do the right wrist. So that one just doing copy paste that. R right wrist joint the compact map. I think that's it. Okay. RE joint, and then this was left elbow joint, and this is left wrist joint. This one was RW joint. Okay, sorry. That now it'll print the x and y coordinates of each thing. It's basically mashing it up and finishing the product. So, yep. Faith Ali, as you can see, guys, here, Faith Ali, the little pest is still here. Actually, no, you can't. Actually, so see how I printed it? Right joint is that, left joint is that, right wrist is that, and left wrist. So if you look on our other piece of code, actually it looks perfect. Like everything's printed out perfect. It looks like everything did perfectly. Yep. Yep, everything was perfect. It printed out perfectly. So how now you could do anything you'd like. So you could do, so as you can see, left elbow joint is at 191, and then so as you can see in this photo, let's see if we can match these two together. So that means the right and left elbow, the wrist joints should be the same x-axis. So x is first. That doesn't. So we're trying to get wrists. Yeah, that's so x and y. We're actually trying to get. Yes, we're actually trying to get y. So y 476 and 483. Not bad. It's pretty close by. So we can do if. So you could this thing you could take it with anywhere in the world you want. You could do you could do like a fitness tracker. Like see if you're doing that pose right. So strange, I'm not using my camera here. 1 second. yeah, so you could even do like many things with this, like if so, and then if you want to just get the certain x and y axis, all you have to do is if, so re joint, and then inside here you can just do 0, and then here you can do x, get x, and then get y, and you can do things like that. So see you in the next lesson, and thanks for coming.
Raja, Raghav.